2" in front of 8". Howa 1500 30-06 Nico Sterling scope. I've got a different load than I've been usually shooting, so I adjusted 5 minutes down off the log, 350 yards. Well, I didn't hit my little one. But it looks like I hit at the corner down there. Maybe my windage is different for this load. I'm lucky to hit the target. I'm going to adjust my windage and height and see what happens. It's snowing pretty good out here. I couldn't see it the other way, so hopefully I'll be able to see it now. Didn't hit my small target. I just don't think so. Doesn't look like it. Come on. Oh, a little bit too high. Not bad for windage though. And I'm gonna have to clean this rifle because I'm sure water's everywhere.